Xintiandi contacted my peoples at the Creative company and wanted something pretty dope or cool for Chinese New Year, the Year of the Boar. I believe I got asked because at the time, I was doing a lot of stuff with sculptural work, and they felt that it was a good fit. Not to mention I've been working on a series of the Three Little Pigs over the past few years. So paint, when it's wet, is kind of slippery. So I just thought it would be a fun image to see these pigs playing in the paint, or one is spitting on the other one, and the other one is like kind of protecting his homegirl with the umbrella, and I thought that was kind of like a fun, like little image. Not little because the thing is, I believe like 10, 15 feet tall. I forgot what it was, but yeah, it'll really be fun to see these, in a mall sort of environment and people interacting with these things. I'm pretty excited about that.
What inspired the Love Gloves concept?
I mean, to understand where the Love Gloves came from, you got to understand, people know me for the LA hands. And the LA hands are a set of hands throwing up the LA, which is actually inspired by gang culture or like street neighborhood culture out here in Los Angeles, representing your neighborhood. What's so sick about these is like, no matter what culture, whether it be China, Japan, Europe, or Africa, like, well, wherever you go, like if you see this, it means love. When we got the Xintiandi project, we all thought seeing a 15-foot Love Gloves would just be amazing, because then I guess people could actually interact with it. And I think everyone's going to want to take a picture in front of this bad boy.